PIP is a package management system used in Python to install and manage software packages. It allows you to install libraries and dependencies that others have made from the Python package index, also other repositories. Before I talk about using PIP, I want to talk about virtual environments. Virtual environments are isolated environments. They allow you to install and manage your packages separately from your system Python install. So instead of downloading packages system-wide, each individual project will have its own packages installed. This is a lot more flexible and organized. It also allows you to use different versions. To create a virtual environment, start by going into your terminal and typing python-m, then, and whatever you want its name to be. I'm going to go myen. You see here it created this folder myen with another folder inside called scripts. This activate.ps1 file is what we need. To activate the virtual environment, type dot for this directory, backslash the folder myn backslash scripts backslash activate.ps1. Now you know it's activated when you see myn here in green. Now we're in our virtual environment, so whatever packages we install will be confined to this virtual environment. To install packages, type pip install package name. We'll do requests. To uninstall packages, do the same thing but type uninstall. To deactivate the virtual environment, type deactivate